Setting up an FAQ section on your WordPress website is a great way to provide valuable information to your visitors. Here's how to do it. Use a plugin. One of the easiest ways to set up an FAQ section is by using a plugin. Popular plugins like Accordion FAQ or Ultimate FAQ allow you to create and manage FAQs easily. Install plugin. Go to Dashboard, Plugins, Add New, search for the FAQ plugin, install and activate it. Create FAQ. After activation, you will find a new FAQ section in your WordPress dashboard. Follow the plugin's instructions to create questions and answers. Customize appearance. Most FAQ plugins let you style and adjust the display. Manually create an FAQ page. Alternatively, you can manually add an FAQ section. Create a new page. Go to Pages, Add New. Add FAQ content. Enter your questions and answers in the page editor. You can use bullet points or headings for easy readability. Use HTML. For more structured FAQs, use HTML to create collapsible sections or accordion-style layouts. Link the FAQ page. Add a link to your FAQ page in your website's navigation menu or footer, making it easy for users to find.